Hello guys, welcome back to mathematics. Today we are going to check a progression test style question. This is the seventh question of stage 7. This one is about finding the percentage of a number. If you want more information, you have a video explaining this topic in the description. Okay, it says find the 13% of 250. I think the fastest method is just to convert this into a decimal. 0.13 and then just multiply by the 250. So you would do 250 times 0.13. 3 times 0 is 0, 3 times 5 is 15, carry the 1, 2 times 3 is 6, plus 1 is 7. Then the 1, well, you just have to repeat the number, right? And with the 0, we don't even have to do it because we're just going to get zeros. And then we do the addition. 0, 5, 12, we carry the 1, and 3. Remember to count how many decimals we have. 1 and 2 decimals. Here, 1 and 2 decimals, so the decimal point goes here. So 32.5 is the 13% of 250. And now it says that an airplane model costs 120. It increases its value by 500%. Find the new value of the airplane model. We could do the same thing. This one is even easier because 500%, it would be just 5 as a decimal. It's 5 times the 100%. So basically the cost is going to be multiplied by 5. 5 times 0 is 0, 5 times 2 is 10, carry 1. 1 times 5 is 5, plus 1 is 6. So 600 is going to be the new price, the new value, $600. And that's it, guys. That's what you need to do in order to get the 2 marks. If you still have questions, guys, don't hesitate. Put it in the comments. I'm going to be reading you, answering you. Also, don't forget to subscribe, and if you want, book your own lessons with me. Bye bye, guys. See you next time.